Hello all, I am Dr. Prabhas Anjanbal. In this class, we'll discuss about the conversion of NFA and DFA. How to convert the construction of a NFA to the construction of DFA. In the previous class, we have already discussed about the construction of NFA and also the construction of DFA. In this class, we'll mainly focus on the conversion from NFA to DFA. Means if NFA is given, how to convert its equivalent DFA. See here. Okay, we'll convert the NFA. We'll convert this NFA, conversion from NFA to DFA using subset construction algorithm. Subset construction algorithm. Okay, we'll convert from NFA to DFA using subset construction algorithm, right? Okay, so now we'll see the first example. Construct an equivalent DFA for the following NFA. Construct an equivalent DFA for the following NFA. See here, this is one NFA is given. This is one NFA is given. Now we'll convert this NFA to DFA. So we have already discussed about the transition table in the previous class. How to convert if finite automata is given, how to convert a transition diagram to transition table. Similarly, here we'll convert this transition diagram. We'll convert this transition diagram into transition table. First, in the first step, we'll convert this transition diagram into transition table. See here, the transition table looks like here. Means this is also one NFA, but it is the transition table. So left side is Q0, Q1, Q0, Q1. Q0 is the initial state and Q1 is my final state. This is 0 and this is 1. See here, Q0 read 0, then goes to Q0. Q0 read 1 goes to Q1. Then Q1 read 0 goes to Q1. Then Q1 read 1 goes to Q0 as well as Q1, as well as Q0, Q1. Okay. So this is the transition table. This is called transition table for the given NFA or for the given transition diagram. Now we'll convert this transition diagram of NFA. Now we'll convert this transition diagram of NFA to transition diagram of DFA. This is NFA. Now we'll convert this one into DFA. See here how to convert this one into DFA. Carefully listen. By using subset construction algorithm, we'll use subset construction algorithm to convert from NFA to DFA. See here, this is my NFA. Just simply write 0, 1 in the upper part. Just simply write 0, 1 means the input alphabets. Okay. Now simply just copy the first line, means the initial line. Simply just copy the initial line from NFA to DFA. Means this is Q0, this is Q0, this is Q1. Just simply copy from NFA table or NFA transition table of NFA. Just simply copy the first line. Just simply copy the first line, means this line from NFA table. Okay. So this is my the first line. So the next, what are the next steps? What are the next steps? Okay. See here, what is the next? What is the new state? What are the new steps? See here, my new state in this transition table. See here, Q0 is already there in the left side. So Q1 is the new state. So Q1 is the new state. Just simply write the new state. Just simply write the new state. Means this one is Q1. This one is the left side. It's called Q1 here. Just simply write the new state. This is Q1. Now we'll apply again Q1 on 0. We'll apply Q1 on 0, Q1 on 0, it will give Q1. Okay, see here. Next we'll apply Q1 on 1, it will give Q0 Q1, Q0 Q1. Okay, in DFA just simply write like this. Just simply write if more than one state will come, just simply write in a square bracket. Okay, so now in this case we'll see what are the new states. Here Q1 will come and Q0 Q1 will come here, but Q1 is already in the left part, so Q0 Q1, there is no Q0 Q1 in the left part of the transition table. So this is my new state. This is called Q0, this is Q1. Okay, this is my new state, Q0 and Q1. Right, now we'll apply Q0 Q1. Now we'll apply Q0 Q1, we'll read 0, it will give Q0 Q1. We'll read 0, it will give Q0 and Q1. Means here Q0 Q1 will read 0, Q0 will read 0, it will give Q0, Q1 will read 0, it will give Q1. Okay, similarly Q0 Q1 will read 1, it will give Q0 will read 1, it will give Q1, Q1 will read 1, it will give Q0 Q1. But here there are two number of Q1, so simply write this is Q0, just simply write this one into Q0 Q1, because there no need to write double Q1. Okay, just simply write or convert it into Q0 Q1. So Q0 Q1 read 0 goes to Q0 Q1. Okay, Q0 Q1 read 1 goes to Q0 Q1. Okay, now we'll check is there any new state. So here Q0 Q1. Okay, Q0 Q1 already in the left part of the transition table. Then again one more state will come here, Q0 Q1, but Q0 Q1 already in the left part of the transition table, so there is no new state. will come here. Okay, so now we'll stop here. If there is no new state, so stop here. If there is no new state, so stop here. There is no new state, stop here, then stop. If there is some new state, then continue. Okay, this is my final DFA. See here, in the initially NFA contains two states. Initially NFA contains 3 states, but after conversion from NFA to DFA, then my DFA contain how many? Initially NFA contains 2 states. NFA contains 2 states. Initially NFA contains 2 states. After conversion from NFA to DFA, my DFA contains first 1, 2, 3. Total 3 number of states. After conversion from NFA to DFA, my DFA contains 3 number of states. Okay. Okay. Now we'll see one more example. Okay. This is also one example. See here, Q0, this is one NFA diagram. Similarly, we'll convert this NFA diagram into transition table. Okay. So this is the upper part is AB and the left part is Q0, Q1, Q2. Q2 is my final state, Q0 is my initial state. So Q0 read A goes to Q0 and Q1. Okay. Q0 read B goes to Q2. Q1 will read A, then Q0, then this is Q1. Q2 will read, there is no transition for A, so there is no transition for A, but Q2 read B, then goes to Q0, Q1. Okay, this is the transition diagram for NFA. This is the transition diagram for NFA. Now we'll convert this NFA. Now we'll convert this NFA to DFA. Now we'll convert this NFA to DFA, right? Okay, see here how to convert. We have already discussed in the upper case, in the above question. Okay, see here, simply write the first one. Simply write the first. Simply copy the first one. Means here, this is Q0, then Q0, Q1, then Q0, Q1, then this is Q2. Okay, right? Now we'll check, is there any new state? Is there any new state? Yes, there are two new states. This means Q0, Q1 is also new state and Q2 is also new state. So this is Q0, Q1. This is Q0. This is Q0, Q1, and Q2 is also new state. Q2 also new state. Okay. Now we'll apply Q0, Q1 will read A. It will give Q0, Q1, Q0, Q1. Then Q0, Q1 will read B. Q0, Q1 will read B. Then it will give Q1, Q2, Q1, Q2. Now we'll check, is there any new state? Now we'll check Q0, Q1. Q0, Q1 is already in the left part. Q1, Q2, S. Q1, Q2 is the new state. This is Q1. This is Q2. Okay. So Q2 will read A. Q2 read A, goes to nothing. Nothing means this is called dead state, DS. DS means here dead state. Nothing means this is called dead state. Okay. Nothing means this is called dead state. Then Q2 will read B. Q2 will read B, goes to Q0, Q1, Q0, Q1. Okay. Now we'll check. Yes, dead state is also one new state. So it is dead state, right? Q0, Q1, Q0, Q1 already there. Now we'll check for Q1, Q2. Q1, Q2, Q1, Q2, Q1, Q2 read A, gives Q0 and dead state. Just simply see here, Q1, Q2 read A, gives Q0 and dead state. But just simply write it is Q0. Simply write it is Q0. Okay. Then Q1, Q2, Q1, Q2 read B, it will give Q0, Q1. Q0, Q1, because there are two number of Q1s. Just simply write Q0, Q1. Q0, Q1. Okay. Now we'll check Q0 as Q0 is already there. Q0, Q1, Q0, Q1 is already there. Now, okay, there is no new state. There is no new state. Next one is the dead state. Dead state means what? Dead state means dead state is nothing but it is a non-final state which having self loops on all inputs. So dead state will read A, it will also go to dead state, and dead state will read B, it will also go to dead state, right? Okay, this is the DFA NFA to DFA conversion. See here, in this case my NFA contains how many states? 1, 2, 3. But after conversion, my DFA contains how many states? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number of states. Okay, this is the NFA to DFA conversion. Okay, now we'll see one more example. Okay, here this is the third question. This is one of my NFA. This is one of my NFA. Okay, now we'll convert this one into transition table. So it is A, it is B. So this is Q0, Q1, Q2. Q2 is my final state. Q0 is the initial state. Q0 reads A, goes to Q0 as well as Q1. Q0, comma Q1. Q0 read B goes to Q0. Q1 read A, there is nothing. So Q1 read B goes to Q2. Q2 read A, there is nothing. Q2 read B, there is nothing. Okay, this is my NFA. This is my NFA. Now we'll convert this NFA into DFA. Okay, see here the similar. This is my DFA. Okay, but what are the steps in DFA? Just simply copy the first step. Just simply copy the first step or first test. This is my initial, means Q0, initial state Q0. It will, this is A, this is B, this is Q0, this is Q1. Okay, then this is Q0. Okay, now we'll check, is there any new state? Yes, Q0, Q1. Q0, Q1 is the new state. Q0 already there, so no need to write. So Q0, Q1 is the new state. Now Q0, Q1 will read A. Q0, Q1 will read A. It will give Q0. Q0, Q1 will read A. It will give Q0, Q1. Q0, Q1. Okay. Q0, Q1 will read B. It will give Q0, Q2. Q0, Q2. Okay. So now we'll check, is there any new state? Q0, Q1 already there. So Q0, Q2 is also new state. Q0, Q2. Okay. Now we'll check Q0, then Q2. Q0, Q2 read A. It will give what? Q0, Q1. Q0, Q1. So Q0, Q2 will read B. It will give Q0. It will be Q0. Okay. Now we'll check, is there any new state? Q0, Q1 already there. Q0 already there. Okay. So there is no new state. Okay. Okay. This is my DFA. Which one is the final state? Q2. This one is my final state. This one is my final state, means Q0, Q2. So initially my NFA contains how many states? 3 states. After conversion, my DFA also contains 3 states. Okay. In the upper case, which one is the final state? Q2 check. Q2 is my final state. Here Q2 is there, so this one is also final state. Okay. Now I will check in the first case also, which one is my final state? See here, Q1 in NFA is final. So here Q1 is final and Q0, Q1 is also final state. Okay. Okay. Now we'll check one more example. This one. Okay. This is also one NFA diagram. Okay. Now we'll convert this NFA into transition table. This is Q0, this is Q1, this is Q2. Q0 is the initial state and Q2 is my final state. This is A, this is B. Q0 read A goes to Q0 and Q1. Q0, Q1. Q0 read B goes to Q0. Q1 read A, nothing. Q1 read B goes to Q2. Q2 read A goes to Q2. Q2 read B goes to Q2. Okay. Now this is my NFA. Okay. Now we'll convert this NFA to DFA. Okay. See here. This is my DFA. Okay. This is my DFA. Okay. Just simply copy the first, just simply copy the first state or first step. So this is Q0 is my initial state. This is Q0, Q1. Then this is Q0. Okay. So is there any new state? Yes, Q0, Q1 is the new state. Q0, Q1. Q0 already there. Q0, Q1. We'll apply Q0, Q1. Q0, Q1. Read A. It will give Q0, Q1. Q0, Q1. Q0, Q1. Read B. Q0, Q1. Read B. It will give Q0, Q2. See here Q0, Q2. Okay. Now we'll see, is there any new state? Q0, Q1 already there. So Q0, Q2 is the new state. Q0, Q2. See here Q0, Q2. Q0, Q2 read A. It will give Q0, Q2. See here Q0, Q2 will read A. It will give Q0, Q1, Q0, Q1, and Q2 will read A. It will give Q2. Okay, so it will finally give Q0, Q1, Q2. Q0, Q1, Q2. Okay. Then Q0, Q2 read B. Q0, Q2 read B. It will give Q0, Q2. Q0, Q2 means Q0 read B. It will give Q0. Q2 read B. It will give Q2. So this is Q0, Q2. Okay. So Q0, Q2 already there. This one is the new state. Which one? Q0, Q1, Q2. Q0, Q1, Q2. See here Q0, Q1, Q2. These three states will read A. It will give Q0, Q1, Q2. Q0, Q1, Q2. Okay. So Q0, Q1, Q2 will read B. It will give Q0, Q2. Q0, Q2. Now we'll check, is there any new state? No. Q0, Q1, Q2 already there. Q0, Q2 already there. So there is no new state. So initially my NFA contains how many states? 3 states. But after conversion, my DFA contains how many states? 4 states. Okay. Okay. One more note here. One more note point here. When we will convert from NFA to DFA, NFA to DFA, how many states means, suppose how many means the maximum number of states possible in DFA means if NFA contains n states, if NFA contains n states, what are the maximum possibilities, the maximum states possible, the maximum states possible in DFA is the maximum states possible in DFA is 1 up to 2 to the power n. Okay. When we will convert from NFA to DFA, if my NFA contains n states, the maximum states possible in DFA is 1 or 1 to 2 to the power n. Okay. So my best case is order of 1, but my worst case is order of 2 to the power n. Okay. My best case is order of n and my worst case is order of 2 to the power n. Okay. Hope all of you understand. Okay. This is the end of conversion from NFA to DFA. Okay. In the next class we will see epsilon NFA. Okay. Thanks for watching.